Open your browser and navigate to replit.com. Log into your account to access your main dashboard where all your projects, or REPLs, are stored. Browse through the list of your recent activity or use the search bar to find the specific project you want to take offline. Once you have identified your project, move your cursor to the right of the project name. Click on the three-dot icon, the Options menu, to reveal a drop-down list. From these options, select Download as zip. Replit will immediately begin compressing your code, folders, and assets into a single compressed file. After the compression is complete, a prompt will appear on your PC asking where you would like to save the file. Choose a convenient location, such as your desktop or a dedicated projects folder, and click Save. You now have a complete offline backup of your work that you can open in any code editor. To access the files, simply right-click the downloaded folder on your computer and select Extract All. This method is perfect for sharing your code via email, moving it to a different cloud storage service, or continuing your development in a local environment, like VS Code. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. Also, press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.